In Colombia, one of the countries with the richest biodiversity in the world, and in its Amazon rainforest where the Tijava River, an affluent of the majestic Orinoco River, flows, we find a tree called cacay. And in its eastern plains, the Arlés Group Investigation Center, dedicated exclusively to the development of the cacay tree as an industry. Being the only cacay fruit grower in the world with the Rainforest Alliance certification, as well as other important certifications from the European market and the United States of America. And not only that, but also complying by the book in all its processes with the sustainability objectives enforced by the United Nations.
One of the species that the ministry has included is the cacay. Later on you will learn more from this study, and this presentation about the cacay. But the truth is that we realize that growing this fruit is really profitable.
I am Dr. Carlos Patino Valles, and 13 years ago I acquired 3,700 acres of land in this beautiful region, with a vision to turn the cacay fruit in an industry that would bring prosperity to the farmers' community and the native Indian tribes that inhabits it.
This is how the Cacay project started. This is a tree that was planted 4 months ago, and as you can see, it was done in the soil typical for this region, with a high content of sand, a low cationic interchange capacity, and less than 2% organic matter content. As you can see here, we promote the growth over the land of the kudzu, a graminea that captures the nitrogen and delivers it to the soil, creating in this way organic matter. We make sure it does not climb on the trees and it stays at ground level, propagating all over the field. In this zone of the farm, where cacay trees and kudzu were planted 5 years ago, you can observe how the organic matter content of the soil has drastically increased, thanks to the organic supply from the kudzu.
Today, after 13 years of hard labor and financial investment, we are proud to be the world leaders of the cacay industry. Our clonal garden is composed by more than 20 cacay species that can be considered the best ones of the world, as well as a plantation with more than 72,000 trees planted on 1,000 acres. And for the year 2025 we will have 1,700 acres planted with 126,000 trees. All with an outstanding architecture, a unique resistance to plagues and diseases, and a production capacity superior to that of the wild or other plantation trees. As the founder and CEO of the Arlés Group, I'm inviting you all to share our vision and to make the cacay an integral part of the Colombian economy, and to turn it into an important source of foreign exchange, given that its unique dermocosmetic properties have a great potential in the international markets where we introduce its oil worldwide. At the Arlés Group Investigation Center, the world's most advanced one dedicated exclusively to the growth of cacay trees as an industry, we have developed a genetic species that guarantees the precocity and abundance of the production, that combined with the state-of-the-art technology that we implement to all our processes, offers an outstanding return on the investment, due to the high profitability of the cacay harvest. I invite you all to join our cause to make the cacay a source of peace and prosperity for the youth of our region. To recover areas from the Amazon devastated by the deforestation. To turn fields not suitable for agriculture into productive and profitable fields. At Arlés, we have developed the most efficient methodology for the production of cacay trees with a unique precocity to produce fruit and generate a long-term high profit. That is why we are ready to share our know-how with all those farmers sharing our vision to turn the cacay industry into a source of prosperity for Colombia. We are progress, we are sustainability, we are Arlés.